yesterday on Amazon. I ordered the overnight coloring kit to mix hair color. Why? I'm not deciding to get rid of my gray, but I live in the Northeast and it's summer and it is so freaking humid. I can't control the frizz. I was at a salon getting a haircut and they suggested that I do a gloss treatment, which would cost $60 and would only last a couple of weeks. So I said, wait, why don't I buy it at home? This is exactly what they were going to use at the salon for $60. I bought it for a few bucks. So yeah, I'm back in coloring thing at home. So come with me as I try this professional hair gloss at home. So let's see if this works. I just came out of the shower. I washed my hair with my trusted but expensive Silverati, particularly for silver hair shampoo, the Oribe Silverati, super expensive. I don't know if I'll be buying it on a regular basis unless I find it on sale. I did a hair mask in the shower, the Finola No Yellow Mask. The lady who did my gray blending, she recommended this. She said a lot of her clients recommended this. I use it every couple of weeks in the shower. It's a purple conditioning mask. Okay, it's 1-to-1 equal parts. I bought this bowl. I threw all mine out. Guys, are you like me? You go on a decluttering thing and you throw everything out because I want to live a minimalist life. I go on a rampage and I throw everything out and then I need it and then I'm ordering it again, which is what happened with why did I have to throw out? I had a bunch of bowls. I had tons of these. Anyway, whatever. So this is 1-to-1 ratio. I'm just going to eyeball it. Oh, that looks about right. I'm going to really soak my hair in. So I'm doing a big portion. Okay, that looks like it's about 1-to-1. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But guys, I'm not going crazy here. I'm going to concentrate on the part where I'm mostly frizzy in the beginning, and then I'm just going to put it on. I want to be very, very mindful of applying it here around where I'm mostly white, around my face. That's where the crazy gray frizz happens. I'm just going to take my bowl, pour a little in, and just apply it in all of these places, and I'm particularly going to work it in. You know, I hated coloring my hair because I had to do it by the roots. This, I'm not really getting too close to the roots. I'm doing the hair. So hair dye really messed my scalp. It really irritated, but not really getting to the scalp with this the way I did before. So I feel okay about it. And, you know, people will say, well, you stopped dyeing it, but you're doing this, you're still putting chemicals on it. Guys, there's nothing natural about me. I didn't do it because of the chemicals. I did it because it was really irritating my scalp. I did it because I couldn't keep up with the hair dye. It was not taking. And after a couple of days, the whites showed through. So it was like this never-ending battle. It's not going to matter. Put my hair up. All right, guys, I'm setting my timer. Hey, Siri, set the timer for 20 minutes. Guys, I love my hands-free talking to my phone and having it do. I think I showed you before. If I forget, you know, sometimes you can't stop and write things down. All of a sudden you're like, oh shit, I need milk. All I say is, hey, Siri, add milk to my list. And then later on, I'll go on to my to-do list and milk will be there or whatever I had said. All right. I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes. Oh, I'm a multitasker, guys. I'm not just going to sit around doing nothing for 20 minutes. I'm going to go about my business. But first, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do my mud mask right now because I have 20 minutes. It's perfect. Then I'm going to do whitening strips because, you know, I'm going to baby shower and I want to look good. Now, these are the Crest ones. I tried the non-toxic ones that a lot of influencers on YouTube recommended. They're supposed to be clean. They didn't work for me. And in my cleaning frenzy, I did throw them out. And I kind of wish now I did it. Maybe I should have tried it a little bit more. Maybe there was a user error. But, you know, because I was in a cleaning frenzy and I wanted a minimalistic house, I threw them out. So I'm going to finish these Crest white strips and I may buy the non-toxic ones again and give it another try. Do I look crazy? Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to clean up. I'll see you later. Bye, guys. I washed off the hair gloss. I let it sit on for 20 minutes. I'm going to get ready, do my normal hair routine and see what happens. By the way, this hair wrap by Crown Affair is the best. It has this rubber band in the back that just makes this stay on so much better than anything else. I like to wrap my hair and it's not towel-like. It's like thinner, but it stays on so well. I've gifted this to everyone, every single holiday, every single birthday. Love it. Anyway, I also am in love with a new hair brand called Inner Sense. This I did get sold to by the hair salon I went to. They're very mindful of clean products, and this is a clean product. This is a spray conditioner. You know what I realized about conditioners? I use a bunch of them. Another one that I was using, for example, was this Milbon one, which I don't really recommend, but you have to squeeze it and then do it through your hair. And that kind of doesn't work for me. I love this leave-in conditioner. First of all, it really does condition my hair and keep it from getting dry. But it's so much easier to just spray a leave-in conditioner than to use something. I bought something by this brand that did require me to put it in my hands. I tested it. I can't because I don't get an even application everywhere. I'm going to just brush this out. By the way, fun fact about me, I never brush my hair except over the toilet bowl, always religiously. I'm doing it right now because I'm recording this, but I hate hair, even my own. It skews me out. And so I brush my hair literally over the toilet. That's it. Let's see what happens with this hair. I'm on the beach in Florida, humid as hell. My hair hasn't really been frizzy. 2 days in the Florida humidity. My hair's not getting frizzy. The gloss, it does work. It works to keep the frizz at bay. It's not going to be perfect. Here's the update on the hair gloss. It definitely works. It's not like a keratin treatment, but for how easy and cheap it was to do at home, I'm outside again. Look at the sky. You could tell it's humid. It's going to rain at some point pretty soon. And my hair is just not getting frizzy. I'm sold. I'm going to keep doing this hair gloss. Verdict in.